Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Monday.com with other applications. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Monday web application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on Monday? That's a plus. Now launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type monday.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Monday. Right in the website, follow through the on-screen prompt to sign in using an existing account or to sign up by creating a new account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Monday. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to integrate Monday.com with other applications. Pretty simple. Head over to the left panel of your screen. You're going to find a couple options here. So go ahead and click on this plus icon. All right. Or, okay, so let's say we want to launch. Okay, so go ahead and launch any of your projects. So you can launch any of your projects, right? So in this project, right, and in this board, I can head over here to the top right corner and click on integrate. So here I have a couple options of integrations that you can definitely use. You can definitely choose from. See, all of these icons are just representing different applications that you can use to make your work seamless in Monday.com. All right, so one of them can be Gmail. So you can definitely use your Gmail, integrate Gmail into Monday.com by clicking on Gmail. So once you do that, you're gonna find this PyC automation, or let's say automation recipes. All right, so this automation recipes that makes it easy for you to add Gmail or integrate Gmail to your board. Now this automation recipes actually allow you to keep people in the loop. So let's say, for example, every time period, if status is something, send an email to someone, or when an email is received, create an item in the group. So I can just go all the way down to when a new item is created, send an email to someone. I think I want to choose this one. So create add to board. All right, so right here you head over to connect your Gmail account. So go ahead and click on connect so that your Gmail account is going to be integrated into your Monday account. So let's say I'm using this one. Okay, I'm choosing this. So I'm gonna have to allow access. So this is just like refreshing my Monday account. It's gonna get back in Monday. And all right, so over here you can see that it's now set. Everything has been completely integrated. So now I can set this automation, the automations. When a new item is created, send an email. So yeah, I'm going to add in my email. What type of email? Let's say get job done. Just like a mod test run, and then send the email to who? Someone, and that person could be me. So get job done. Okay, so that email, so when an email is created, so when a new item is created, send an email like a notification to Amanda Mac. So once you're done, go ahead and click on add to board, and you see that that specific automation has been added to your bot. So it says to active automations. You can deactivate this by toggling this off, or just activating it by leaving it on that way. So with these, you see that Gmail has now been successfully integrated into your Monday account. So this is pretty much how you can integrate a particular application. So you can see Gmail is here now. That's how you can integrate an app into Monday. Just go ahead and follow the same process. All right, select the application, use the automations, and that's just it. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.